Okay, children, now we are going to learn the sound of double O, isn't it? Sound of double O. We have been seeing the sound of double letter word like O U, O I, O Y, O E. Now OO. Okay, here the set of picture was given in this column and here the set of picture was given in this column. Okay, now we are going to find it out the picture and we are going to pronounce a word correctly, then we are going to write it on that particular line. Okay, now you understand? Yes, what is this? You will see it on the night time, isn't it? You see it on the sky at the night time. What is this? Moon. Moon. Yes, you are getting oo, longer O sound. Oo. Moon. Moon. Okay, this is a moon. Shall I write it on here? The dash. M O O N. Moon. Moon. Okay. Okay, listen here. This is a wood, isn't it? This is a wood. Okay, you are going to find it at wood. Wood. W O O D, wood. Wood. Yes. Shall I write it here? W O O D, wood. Wood. Okay. This is hook. Okay. This is not a J. This is a hook. Hook. You are getting a H sound and K sound. Hook. H O O K. Hook. Hook. Isn't it? H O O K, hook. Okay, this is spoon. Spoon. You're getting a S sound and ending with the N sound. Spoon. Spoon. S P O O N. Spoon. Okay, listen. This is foot. Okay, this is what is this? This is a food. You are getting a F sound, isn't it? Food. Food. Shall I write it here? Food. F O O T. Food. Food. Okay. This is, tell me what is this? I've told you already, when I'm saying a cowboy, he will wear a boot, isn't it? This is a not a shoe. This is a boot. Boot. B sound. Boot. B O O, boot. Boot. Okay, this is stool. You're getting a O longer. Oo, like oo. Yeah, the sound of the double O is oo. Stool. S T. O L. Stool. Okay, this is book. 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 Okay, let's recall one more time. The sound of double O is oo. The sound of double O is oo. M O O N. Moon. Okay, next wood. W O O D. Wood. This is hook. H O O K. Hook. Tell along with me, children. If I am suppose telling every time that you does not understand the sound, you should tell me along with me. Then only you can understand it very well. Then you can pronounce it correctly. Just come on, tell with me. S P O O N. Spoon. Spoon. Okay. This is F O O T, food. Food. Okay, this is boot. B O O T, boot. This is stool. S T O O L, stool. Stool. Okay, this is book. B O O, book. K, book. B O O K, book. Okay, children. Now we understand the sound of O is oo. Oo, moon, wood, hook, spoon, food, boot, stool, book. Okay, now we understand the sound of double O is oo. Oo. Okay, children. Okay, let's see the next exercise. Okay children, let's see the next exercise. In this exercise also they given a double letter O word, isn't it? The sound of O is O. Okay, first just we read the each and every letter, then we move to the exercise. Okay, the first letter T O O T H, tooth. T O O T H, tooth. This is shoot. S H O O T, shoot. This is goose. G O O S E, goose. This is foot. F O O D, foot. This is wood. W O O D, wood. This is cook. C O O K, cook. This is broom. B R O O M, broom. This is moon. M O O N, moon. Okay, so tooth means where is the tooth picture? Now the first you just randomly read the spelling and the pronunciation of the each word. Now we are going to draw the lines to the each and every picture. For example, here the tooth, and tell me the picture where it is tooth here. You are going to find it out because it's a very simple exercise. I am not going to do it with you. You are going to do it with me. Find it out. Where is the tooth? Yes, do you all find it out? Where is the tooth? Here. Very good. Shall I put a draw line here? Okay. Next, this is shoot. Shoot. You all know. You all children will know what is meant by shoot, isn't it? Okay. Tell me where is the shoot picture is here. Yes, some of them tell me very correctly, and some of them are searching still. Where it is? Find it out. Find it out. Find it out. Okay, finally we got it. Shoot. Very nice. Next one, goose. Find it out. Where is a goose? You want me a clue? Okay, goose means it's a bird. It's a kind of bird. Yes, everybody find it out very fastly after I'm giving a clue, isn't it? Where is a goose? Yes, here. Very nice. Okay, let's move to the next word. This is a food. It's not a food, it's a food. Food. You're getting O longer. Ooh. Food. Food. Okay, where is the food? No, it's not a food. He is a cook. So where is the food? Yes, yalla. This is a food. You all love fries, French fries and burgers and ice creams, omelette, a lot chicken, sandwiches, popcorn. Yes, your favorite items was here, isn't it? Hot dogs. Okay, your favorite dishes was here. Okay. Let's see the next word. This is wood. You are going to find it out, the picture wood. Did you find it out? Where it is? Yes, here it is a word. Very good. Next word is cook. Cook. You are going to find it out. Where is a cook? Yes, here is a cook. Shall I put a line here? Very good. Okay, next, this is a broom. What is the usage of having broom? Every home will have a broom. What is the usage of having broom in your home? Yes, to clean up the floors, isn't it? The mother will always clean up the floor, but your naughty children will make the put dirty on the home, isn't it? Am I right? Am I right? Very good. Yeah, will do it like this only. I knew it. Okay, now you find it out. Where is a picture? Broom. You're going to find it out, the picture broom. Yes, here is a picture. So, shall I put a line here? Okay. See, the last one is moon. You can find it out very easily. Where it is? Yes, this is here. Moon. Okay. At what time you will see the moon? Whether you will see it on a daytime or whether you will see it on a night time. And what time you will see it moon on the sky? You will see at night time, isn't it? You will see it in the sky on night times, at night times, isn't it? Okay, very good, children. In night there will be a moon and also the stars. Very good. The glittering stars also available, isn't it? Okay, there is a rhyme regarding this. What is a rhyme? Do you remember? Yes, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay. Oh, yeah. No, no. It's related to stars. Okay. Now you understand what is the sound of double O? Oo, tooth, shoot, goose, food, wood, cook, broom, moon. Okay. If you get a double O and it sounds like oo. If you get double O, what it sounds like? Ooh. Okay. Okay. Let's move to the next exercise.